Good morning, family. How are you today? I am somewhat excited because I think that I found a new hairstyle for myself. One that I have never done. One that's going to help me deal with the summer heat. Yes, tomorrow I am going to the water park with my grandchildren. And I wanted to come up with a way that I could wear my hair and feel good about it. But before I show you this hairstyle, I want to stop and say thank you to my subscribers. I see that the numbers are growing, and I just want to thank you for not finding it robbery to spend some time with me and to join the G family. I really appreciate you, and I want you to continue to hang in there with me. Share my videos, please. Tell them about G and what she has to offer. If you like me, they probably will too. Now, let me show you this hairstyle. I am going to show you this. I separated this part because it's going to be somewhat of a ponytail. I'm just going to take this around, try to get all of this in together. Now let me tell you what I found in my stash. I found a bracelet. This bracelet is not metal. It is somewhat flexible, just a little. I'm going to go ahead and put that part of the hair into this bracelet. Don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. I am going to do this. Okay, now this part of the hair. I'm going to take this part of the hair this way. And I tucked it in the bracelet. This braid that I have been wearing a couple of days in the front of my hair has been just to keep my hair from falling down while I'm eating, going into my mouth. And I'm going to take this braid. I'm just going to tuck this inside of my hair, guys. It feels secure there. And I think I have a very quick, cute hairstyle. Now I can wear this like this. I have never done this before. I will certainly do it again because it was so simple. I liked it. I've been on the camera less than 5 minutes. I know that I could also take this, maybe do a twist if I want to. I'm going to see this first. See what it looks like. You will see before I do. I'm going to try one of my trusty goodie clips. don't like that as much as having it hang down. I'm going to take the goodie clip out and let it hang down, and I made a mess of it, but I can always tuck it back in. For a little bit of contrast, I'm going to take this goodie clip. That one has a little bit of a shimmer. Help it to hold this braid in place. I hope you like it as much as I do. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends and my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He's blessed me in so many ways. I can't even tell it all. I cannot tell it all. I will not try to list it. I'm just going to say that He has been a blessing to me. And this is my hairstyle for today. Have a great day. Have a great day.